Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be creating this look for Mother's Day. I'm really excited, you guys. This is going to be my third Mother's Day as a mom. I am a mom of a boy. He is 3 and his name is Sebastian. He is such a happy baby, such a silly boy, has me up and down the whole freaking day. But I'm so happy and so blessed to be part of his life and have him be a part of mine. So if you are a mom, happy Mother's Day. If you're not, happy Mother's Day to your mom. We women, we are incredible. We should always look out for each other. We should always support each other. And if you are new to my channel, what can I say? Welcome. And you guys, if you're looking for a look to create that day, that special day, because you want to celebrate yourself or you want to celebrate your mom, you can recreate my look. And thank you for that. Talking about being a mom. So yeah, you guys, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I already did carve my brows off camera as a head start. I'm going to be doing that after. So to start off, you guys, I'm going to be priming my lid, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye primer for this. And I'm only going to be using this primer today because I am using the Amrezi palette. I haven't used this palette in a cool minute, and I really want to just bring it out for this special occasion. I really want to just play with the pink tones for today's look. So to start off, I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. Just going to use a Makeup Shack T67 brush to kind of just blend out all that primer. So I am going in with OG, and I'm just going to be taking actually this Makeup Shack brush that I don't have a name. It doesn't have a number on it. So I'm going to be taking OG and applying that onto the crease. For my next color, I'm going to be using the color Semsa, and I'm going to be applying that with a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to be applying that on the outer corner, which is right here. So once I have enough color on my outer crease, I'm actually going to work my way up and bring it towards the rest of the crease, just like this, and then just blend it out. Just blend out those corners. Going back to that other brush that I used at first, and it was a Makeup Shack brush, which I can't find. Where is it? Found it. Okay, so going back in with that brush from that I used at the beginning, I'm actually just going to blend out everything together. My middle lid color, I'm going to be using Anastasia, and it's just this beautiful light pink shimmery tone, and I'm actually going to apply that with my ring finger. And I'm sorry, my palette is like super dirty, super messy, not dirty, but it's like there's makeup all over it. So with my ring finger, I'm going to apply some right here, and I just gotta be careful with the top to not get any in the crease, so it won't disturb that pink. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm actually gonna go in, oh my god, I'm actually going in with a brush, and I'm gonna grab a little bit and then just set that in like this. So I went ahead and I did the other eye off camera. Now I'm going to apply my eyelashes, and for eyelashes I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations lashes and Daydream. Okay you guys, so the lashes are on. I'm actually just going to move on to the complexion now. I really love how the lashes look with this eye look. I love that you can see the shimmer shadow. So I'm going to be color correcting you guys, and I'm going to be using my Dragon Beauty color corrector in orange, and I'm just going to apply some a little bit underneath my eyes and my mustache. So I'm going to be using a Sigma brush for this to blend this out, and I'm using the Skin Perfector. And on top of that, I'm going in with the lavender shade. So if you did see my Dragon Beauty video that I uploaded on my channel, I really liked how it came out using these products. I haven't really been using them lately, but I really like how well they cover my dark pigmented areas. Actually going to be using my Nars Aruba foundation for this. To blend all this out using my blender, and this is actually a new sponge that I got. It is the UV where is the box? It's the UV blender, and it's completely new to me. I'm going to try it out for the very first time and see what I think. Okay you guys, so far I really am liking this blender. It blended my foundation really nicely, and I actually found the box, you guys. It's called the UV Antimicrobial Blender, and it claims to prevent up to 99.9% of bacteria from growing in and on the blender. It's non-latex, and it blends makeup perfectly for clean even finish. And you guys, I actually found the price as well. It's $14.89. I googled the price, and you guys, I really do like the shape of this sponge. I like the fact that this side is flat and pointy, perfect to get into this area right here to apply the concealer, to set it with powder, and actually like carve the cheek with setting powder. And obviously this side is for foundation. So thank you Makeup by Gilly for recommending this blender to me, and it is $14.89 as well, so you guys should definitely check it out if you guys are looking for a blender. my god, you guys, I'm so sorry that my camera died at the end. I didn't see that coming, but all I really did was apply the new Fenty Gloss Bomb and Cupcakein, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, you guys, this is a final look. I hope you guys did enjoy my video and this look. If you are a mom, happy Mother's Day. If you're not, wish your mom a happy Mother's Day for me. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you guys can get an alert when I do upload a video. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.